this is Matt and this will be a video on how to download Tidal. Now I'm right here on the main Tidal download page. I like it, it's very minimalist and quite nice as download pages go. So you can find it at offer.tidal.com/download. I will of course put that URL as a link just below this video in the video description, so you can just click on that link and wind up here. Now, lots of different versions. It will identify your operating system. It's correctly identified that I have in fact got Mac OS, so you can download it for the Intel chip if you have a Mac, or Apple Silicon with the Apple chip right here. If you're using Windows, you can download here. If for whatever reason it doesn't identify as Windows, or you just want to get a different version, you can get the .execute, the exe file directly by clicking here, and that will automatically download. Now there is an iOS version, an Android version, there's a web player, and there's other supported devices here you can learn more. So the web player will just open a web player. These two will download the iOS or the Android version. So you can pick your poison here. I'll go with the Apple chip, the Apple Silicon. We just click there and it will automatically download. You can see in the top right corner the icon just flew up there, which is the universal symbol on a Mac that something has been downloaded. Now, depending on your browser configuration, your download location might be different to mine. I have Google Chrome, and on this Mac, my downloaded files and folders go directly to the downloads folder. Your location might be different, but all that's left to do from there is to literally open up the installer, follow the instructions. That's the easy bit. Hopefully you found this video on how to find and download Tidal useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.